This might be one of those steals. You know what? I got Gala last bull run when it first launched. I spent $37, and I got 250,000 Gala games for $37 when it first launched. All right, we are in that area down here where you know this could be one of them great buys. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but I'm going to show you something in here in a second that's going to indicate, a possible bottom coming in here and a reversal starting. So we'll get into this chart in just 1 second. I got a few things to show you here. One thing I did want to show you over here on the crypto news. Pretty interesting stuff here. Let's take a look here. They got some pretty crazy stuff here. Trump owns 1 million in crypto. Guess what crypto he owns? Take a guess. Think Bitcoin, XRP. He owns Ethereum. $1 million and over $1 million in Ethereum. So that's pretty cool. You got the Harris, the Democrats switching to supporting crypto now. Pretty interesting. Schumer says a crypto bill can pass Senate this year. Key Democrats join Crypto for Harris call. Now you got the Democrats and Republicans. Since 22% of Americans own cryptocurrency, you got both of them pro-crypto now. That's pretty interesting. And also here, I didn't see this one. Trump owns 1 million in crypto. He's also made 300,000 in Bible sales and 7 million from NFTs. Wow, didn't know that he does the NFTs. That just popped up here 1 hour ago. That's new. Bitcoin and crypto suddenly braced for a powerful Apple iPhone wallet update after price swings. A powerful Apple iPhone wallet update. That's cool. iPhone maker Apple has announced a major change to its Apple wallet, described by one crypto chief executive as a powerful update. That's pretty awesome. Crypto Democrats rally behind Harris campaign and push for policy revamp. Trump once said crypto was a scam. Disclosure shows he owns more than $1 million of it. Right there, 1 million in Ethereum. Here comes the rain again where I'm at. I'm in north central Pennsylvania, up on the border with New York, a town called Westfield. Look it up on YouTube. We just had a major disaster, flooding. It was incredible. Absolutely destroyed our home, our garage. It's been a mess, So, but we're alive. God blessed us with life, and you know what? We'll make the most of it. We'll bounce back. We'll be fine. I can't tell you how great the support is up here. PEMA's been here. The Red Cross. They declared it a disaster zone. It's pretty crazy. It was nuts. The river is right behind our house, and it got 3 feet deep in our garage. Could be worse. Always could be worse. So look at the bright side of things out there. But you members, the memberships that have, thank you so much. The memberships have definitely helped out, so thank you. And if you're interested, sign up for a level 3 membership, guys. It's only $15. You get over 10 hours videos to teach you how to start charting, and a link to our Discord where we're making money over there today, right now as I make this video. So, if you don't like it after a month, cancel it. It's only $15. You will learn. I guarantee you will learn. A lot about charting. That's what you want to learn. How to tell if price is going to go up or down. Or have a good idea if it is. All right. Right now we're getting in a Bitcoin long, running this 5th wave up. Looks like right here you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. All right, a 5th wave up here. Alright, this thing should reverse here pretty soon. You got the 15-minute right at the bottom. let's look here. The 30 minute is curving back to the upside. You can see it down here. See the RSI curving back up. It's going to run back up for that fifth wave. The 1 hour. The 1 hour is bouncing off the right down here. Getting ready to bounce back up here. You got the 4 hour heading to the upside. 8 hour heading to the upside. 12 hour heading to the upside. Yeah, so we're looking for that bounce right up a little over 60,000, 60,300, somewhere around there. You know, hey, you know, if it hits there, you know, we have a pretty good idea of what we're doing here. Sign up and come join us. All right, keep an eye on it. If it hits up there, you know, come over and join us and start trading with us. We have over 200 members. Mr. Gray over there, he ended up posting this book right before I did. I seen it, posted it. He already had it up, man. He's good with his charts, and we have a lot of great traders over there. So yeah, you can see here, there's a green candle. We got a 382 pullback. That's what we were looking for here. You go from your wave 2 to your top of your wave 4, and the 382 is where you should get your bounce. There you go. There it's starting right there, right? So watching for Bitcoin to run up here, and then a possible ABC, and then another run to the upside here, right? So once this fifth wave comes in, we're looking for a little bit of a pullback. That's where we'll have some shorts here lining up, but it's a good trade right here. By the time this video gets out, it'll probably be over. But if you have $1,000 on this, on a 20x, you'd make $400, you know, off of an hour trade, maybe 2 hours it's going to take to get this out. So yeah, definitely worth it out there, guys. You know, I love longing and shorting. We got some good traders. So let's take a look at Gala. This thing has been beat down and beat down and beat down. All right, look at this. Right back down to a support, a major support. Look at this. Wow, that's unbelievable, isn't it? I mean, it has just gotten absolutely smashed. Like everything. You know, right now this thing is down 97, 98%, something like that. Typical, you know, that's it's like a bear market low, really. I mean, we have hit the bear market low. There you go. This is on a weekly chart. Bear market low was right over here, and we have just about got there. You can see. I mean, we have just about got there. All right, we come in on a daily. All right, you can see a lot going on in here. And I seen this a long time ago, right? I haven't put a Gala video out for a long time. I've had this line down here. If you go back to my last video that I did on Gala, you know, it was hard to believe that it was going to pull down this deep. But, yeah, it has done that, all right? If you take a measurement up here to this bottom right here, right, we're just pulling it over a little bit. You have a 618 retracement right here, all right? Now, if you put a line on this 618, right there, okay? Pull it down, pull your A wave down on top of your B. All right, you have, whoops, I'm sorry. A target down here, 0.013, right about 0.013 as the target. Okay, that would give you ABC in here, you know, A, B, C. All right, ABC correction. Now, let's take a look down here and see if we have bottomed out yet. Now we got to zoom in a little bit tighter. All right. Let's zoom in here and take a look. We go down inside here, and now we're on a 12 hour. Okay, now we're looking at this movement right here. All right. this move, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like you could possibly have one more push down here. All right, now the target for this here has been hit. Okay, it hit a 1618. And what am I doing here? Well, if you come up here and look at this, all right, you have right up in here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, fifth wave down there. You got 5 waves down in this C leg right here. Okay, and that should give you a bottom, which we have hit. Okay, we've hit technically a target for that, but inside of this bigger move, you have this smaller move in here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a possible a little bit further down here. All right, so let's take a look at something. Put a line right here on, what we got, 0.0178. I'm going to make that yellow. All right, now if this does push down anymore, what would be the target for it? 0.0109. All right, so it is a possibility that we get one more push right down here. Let's put a target on, let's put a 108, 109, somewhere right around there. Okay, now what do the RSIs say as far as this goes? Okay, let's put a price on here. This is 17.8. There we go. That's perfect. All right, let's take a look at the RSIs. The 12-hour is coming down. All right, that is coming down. All right, you got your daily 82.5 and an 82.3. Technically still bullish. All right, really oversold though. We're very, very close to bouncing here. Okay, you got your weekly. Oh yeah, right at the bottom. All right, but technically it's still bearish. All right, your 3-day is reset and ready to go. Looks good. Your 5-day is 3.7 and 3.6. It's bullish. It looks good. It's ready to go. It's oversold. All right, so the 3-day and the 5-day are there. Where's that monthly? Monthly's still coming down. All right, but so you got your 3-day, your 5-day, your weekly is almost reset. Your daily is technically bearish. Okay, so you could get that one more push down here. Right now, if Bitcoin runs back up to 60,300, all right, this could push this back up here, and then Bitcoin ABCs. And we could have this one last plush down. All right, if I was betting on this, I would be thinking it's coming down here. All right, now that would let's get this off here. It was either, these bottoms, you got a target up there, right in this zone is your bottom area. This technically tagged it right here, okay, which a lot of traders would use this and say, oh boy, we hit our 1618 right here, this must be over. Then they going along, all right, but they don't look at the move inside of here, this 5 wave that you got forming right here, 3, 4, and a 5. All right, usually a 4th wave is a 382. Let's get a measurement on that. All right, let's try putting all this together. That's off your wave 2. All right, so you go top of your wave 2 down to 4, and there you go, 382 retracement here. It's usually it hits a 382 and then rolls over. Sometimes a 50%. All right, but normally a 382, that's your high, and it rolls over. So if it doesn't take out, call it 18 cents. If it takes 18 cents out, the correction's done. Okay. If it does not, look for a pull down here. down to, let's get that target again. Make sure it's right here. See the top there. Yeah, 0.01072. Somewhere right around there. Right around that area right there. That's your 1618. Could end up anywhere technically in this zone right here, right? So we are very, very close to a bottom, guys. If it doesn't take out 18 cents, all right, look for 0.0107 right around there as a bottom, right around a penny. All right, and that could turn out to be a massive buy because I truly believe Bitcoin overall. Let me show you something. If you come out on Bitcoin on a monthly, you can see what's going on here. All right, let's get rid of that RSI. You can clearly see this thing is doing. These altcoins are going to have a run. It's coming. It is absolutely coming. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And a fifth wave up. I mean, it is coming for sure. All right. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Right. You got your monthly starting to straighten out, starting to get a bend towards the upside here. The weekly is just about reset. Okay, it's getting down there. Let's get this off here. All right, it is almost there. Your daily. Your daily's right at the top here. Looking for that last final push down here. All right, you're going to have this run up to 60,300 right around there. That's going to put that right around the 618 here. Right, you could end up having a big ABC here for Bitcoin. Right, and of course that's going to scare a lot of people. But because once again, looks like a possible 5 waves here for Bitcoin, maybe on the daily here. We'll just have to wait and see how this plays out. But a little bit of a push up. Where are we at right now? Let's take a look. 59,105. So another $1,200, $1,200 up here, and then I would start looking, for a correction to kick in after that, but that should be that fifth wave up. All right, so keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on Gala for this. If Bitcoin ends up pushing up there and then starting a correction down, that's going to push everything else down. And watch for a bottom down here. And man, oh man, I believe that's a super buy. I'll be looking to buy some Gala. I'll be looking to long Gala down here is what I'm going to do. This thing could absolutely have a tremendous run. I mean, it's going to put it, right back. Is that going to be? Geez, that could be below a bear market low, actually. It could actually, it could stop there right on support, or it's going to take out that bear market low and set a low, and people are going to think that Gala is absolutely done. Especially if it makes this move down here, and they're going to regret not thinking that this thing is going to explode to the upside, because it is, no question. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but I truly believe that. I mean, this thing is getting to the extremely oversold. All right, you got your weekly way down there. That monthly is still heading down here. It's at a 9 and a 25. All right, but the 5-day right there, the 3-day way down there. Look how oversold it is down here. I mean, everything is getting very oversold. Got the 12-hour heading down. Right, so watch for that final push down, and if it doesn't take out 18 cents, look for this bottom here, and then look out. All right, thank you so much, guys. Come over and join us. $15, guys. It's worth it. Just this one short right here will make you, if it works out, if it gets rejected up here, say we have a run back up, and then you, wow, big money. let's say 30% on a 20x, 600%. Wow, yeah. Um, you would make some serious money on that, no question. For every um, what is that? 600%. Yeah, 600% trade on a 20x. That's some major money. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.